welcome back to the channel. Today I have a Star Wars Disney pin haul for you guys. These are all fantasy pins, no Disney authentic pins, from a couple of different pin makers, so I thought I would share with you guys. Let's start with my pins from Ash's Fantasy Pins. You can follow her on Instagram. Here is her handle. It's just Ash's Fantasy Pins. She's also running a massive spring cleaning sale, so if you like any of these pins, most of them she has on hand right now, and you can use code either spring clean or spring cleaning for 65% off. 65% off her fantasy pins. So I'll leave the correct discount code right here so you guys can use it. Seriously, go get some pins because her pins are gorgeous. I've got a ton of them. Okay, let's get into it. So the first three pins I have are all from the same collection, and I've actually got already got 1, 2 pins from this collection up on my pin board that I've unboxed for you guys previously. But these are the collection is called Prelude to a Kiss. She has it marked as PTAC on her website. And the first one is Ahsoka and Lux from Clone Wars / Rebels. Can we talk about Ahsoka's like super glittery outfit? Like so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with this pin. Ahsoka lovers, you need this pin. Second, this is my second Padme and Anakin Prelude to a Kiss pin. The other one I have is like if Padme was a Sith. This one is Attack of the Clones when they are on Tatooine, and Padme is in her blue, like, you know, super, I don't know, beautiful like crop top with like the hooded over thingy and whatever, gorgeous hair. We have Attack of the Clones Annie with his little Jedi pony, just so cute. I love this couple. Anakin and Padme are my favorite, so I had to pick that up as well. And lastly, this is one of my first Han Solo and Leia pins, and this is gorgeous. She's got her gorgeous braid, Han in his gray button down, Leia's cape is looking stunning, and again she's also got kind of like a glittery red dress on. So super pretty pins. I also didn't really mention the blue like holographic glitter of Padme's. I hope you guys can see that okay, because it's literally, oh there you go, it's literally so gorgeous. So those 3 pins, all from Ash's Fantasy Pins. I have one more couple pin from a different collection of hers, so let me grab it. So this one is from her, I don't know what the collection is called, but it's just a little bit more risque, and I have 2 Padme and Anakin pins from this collection. This one is Han and Leia. Young children, close your eyes. It is Han and Leia doing a little smoochy smooch in the buff. So Han is looking super jacked. Leia is super beautiful, and I just really love these pins. I feel like it's giving us the romance that we never got. You know, I feel like the most romance we get for Han and Leia is I love you, I know. And for Anakin and Padme, it's, you know, when she confesses her love for him. But like, I love the romance in Star Wars, but we get like so little of it that pins like this and the Prelude to a Kiss pins are just like, they feed my soul, you know? Oh, hello. Lily has come to say hi. Hello, everybody. And then the last pin, is this the last pin? Yes, the last pin I've got from Ash's Fantasy Pins is this Belle Koi Mermaid pin. Please focus. There we go. It is super stunning. I have Rapunzel, Ariel, and Mulan from this collection, and now I've added Belle. The detail is seriously just beautiful, you guys, and I love, ow, okay, Mama's like sliding around and accidentally clawing me because she's like trying to grip onto my legs for stabilization. But I love that her fin is stained glass, because it just adds that like translucent element that you feel like fins of mermaids have. It's just, it's such a beautiful pin. I'm like getting out of breath because I'm excited about how gorgeous these pins are, and they just look so good on my little pin board. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. Okay, moving on. I'm so sorry, I just realized my lipstick looks so jank because my lipstick has come off, my eyeliner or my lip liner hasn't, so sorry if that was bothering you the entire beginning of this video. Whoops. Okay, next we have some pins that I actually got for Christmas from my little friendsies. So thanks, guys. My friend Kara got me these pins. They are so cute. Okay, so this one is when you come out of Rise of the Resistance, I'm sure a lot of you have seen this image, even if you have not been to Disney World or Disneyland. But when you walk out of the first transport shuttle on Rise of the Resistance, you walk into like this grand landing dock atrium of the First Order ship. And there's like stormtroopers lined up, and there's like a million of them, it seems like. And so this is that scene. But what's super cool about this pin is that it has glow in the dark elements, like all of these really like white stripes around here are all glow in the dark. So it's really cool because in the dark it glows, because that's glow in the dark. That's what that means. Words. Okay. And then from that same pin maker, I also have this amazing, also from my friend Kara, Ahsoka pin. I love this. It reminds me of when she is about to battle Darth Maul, and he's kind of talking to her, putting things in her head when they're like in like the under, like not sewage, but like the under tunnels of Mandalore. And it just reminds me of that scene so much, which like gets me so emotional, because that scene and the following scenes of Clone Wars are like really traumatic. So yeah, and then what's cool about this is that her lightsabers glow in the dark. So they're very lightsabery once the lights are off. So my little Ahsoka pin, for a small pin, I feel like this has such great detail on her eyes. Everything. I love it. Wait, I think her eyes glow too. Oh no, they don't. Okay. So cool. So cool. All right. We have two more pins. This is a Punzi pin, which is just gorgeous. My friend Sarah got me this. I will try to leave the information for these pin makers if I can find them. I think they got all of them on Etsy, so I'll try and find them and link them below so you can go purchase from these small pin shops. But this one is Punzi, and she's got this gold frame around her. Then her face is outlined, and we have this super detailed, gorgeous braid. I mean, obviously Punzi's braid, but I love this so much that like the highlight of the pin is just her hair, because Disney hair is like always next level. It's got all of the gorgeous flowers in it. It is just, it's such a pretty pin, you guys. Like, it's just gorgeous. And I love it. I definitely need to find this pin so I can find this pin maker, because if they have more in this collection, I should order them all of them. I should just order all of them. Okay, and last but not least, possibly one of my favorite pins. I feel like a really unique pin. I feel like this is a character I had never seen a pin. Amazon is here. I have never seen a pin of this character until Sarah got this for me for Christmas, and I like low-key lost my mind. So this is Double Dots Pins. It says it's possible. Can you guys guess who it is from the back? It is the Cinderella from Rodgers and Hammerstein's Cinderella. Like, are you kidding me, guys? And the detail on her is seriously stunning. First of all, let's talk about her hair. It looks stunning, and her little crown. Her makeup is also amazing. I wish my camera would focus on it a little bit better. Her makeup is amazing. Her little gloves. Her freaking dress is stunning, and it's got like some 3D-ish elements to it. Like it looks very layered. Like it's got a silvery, sparkly light blue enamel, and then it's covered in what's like a glass, and then these like streaks and details are painted on top. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but this pin is seriously stunning. Next level. Beautiful. We love her. Okay. All right. That is all of the pins that I have accumulated over the past couple of months. I do have some pins coming from my friend Shelby. I know she picked me up some present pins in Disneyland on her most recent trip. And she was sending me pictures of some limited edition pins that were at Disney World on her recent Disney World trip. And I did pick up a limited edition Star Wars set that really fits my collection, and I'm obsessed. So once I get those in and maybe get another, you know, good roundup of pins going, I'll do another pin video. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I love making them. I love talking about and showing off pins. It's just such a fun collection to have. And like, I do not have a big collection compared to a lot of collectors, but I literally started collecting pins like a year ago, and I've lost my mind apparently because I have so many now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and hit that big red subscribe button down below to come hang out with me more on the channel. I do a lot of Disney and other lifestyle content, so come hang out with me. Let me know in the comments below if you're a pin collector, what are your main collections? Mine are Star Wars and the Disney princesses, which I know both of those are kind of broad, but that's just where I'm at in my life, you know? So yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram at Holly_Hickman. You can follow my Disney focused Instagram at Happiest Holly on Earth, or you can even follow my Etsy shop Instagram at Holly Lollyco. I make Minnie Mouse ears you can wear at any Disney park. You can shop. The link will be in the description bar below. All right, I think that's enough of plugging my own stuff. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.